Robert Farrell here. Hey, many of you are frustrated and not earning online the right way because you're too busy chasing shiny objects, signing up for 90-minute waste of time webinars that want to charge you $997 and basically provide training, but they're not actually making money from what they're teaching you. They're making money from selling you a course. Well, guess what? I've been in the online training business for 25 years, in the trenches, making mistakes, etc., etc. My training is 100% free, no strings attached. Now, in addition to that, go to my website, Niche Builders Club, and you can request a discount coupon for a complete turnkey system. You can also watch more free videos. Now, what you'll get with this turnkey system, I have over 50 domain names, keyword-rich domain names, that you can use for your niche marketing store. So I've done all the heavy lifting for you. So these are some of the keyword-rich domain names that you can use. So as an example, you could be yourbrand.dealsOnline.Store or jeffrey.mensonline.store, etc., etc. I'm here to help you every step of the way. But I can assure you, nothing happens if you choose to do nothing. So all I ask you is to go check out my niche building store, nichebuilders.club. I'm here to help you, share with you my knowledge, 25 years of being in the trenches. Thanks again for being here. Stay home, stay safe, stay positive. Carpe Diem 2020.